If you don't have the LDAC option available in Bluetooth device settings on your Samsung Galaxy A27, in order to fix this, most likely you have to go to an app that you probably just installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, over here, I have this app for my earbuds, which are supposed to provide me LDAC option. And without the app, I had the option and now I don't have it. And the reason why I don't have that option anymore is because of a certain setting that is related to the sound quality. So what you need to do is you want to make sure that in the app, the sound quality is the priority for your Bluetooth device. Of course, this can be named in a slightly different way, but essentially you're looking for the highest quality possible for some setting that allows you to use that highest quality. Now, after changing the quality to the priority to the sound quality, then I can go back to Bluetooth device settings, and as you can see, now I do have LDAC option. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.